Hi everyone, this is Keiko Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video. Itong music video. This is the first music video, right, of Jamiel, which is Paano Ba Ang Magmahal official music video. So basically, ang ating reaction video, may mga, what do you call this, may background music, and at the same time, meron siyang overlay para naman at least panoorin nyo muna yung original, i-stream nyo muna yung original music video bago kayo gumawa ng reaction video para magkaintindihan tayo. Kasi baka may magreklamo na naman dyan na parang, ano ba yan? Bakit may, what do you call this? Bakit may mga harang-harang and everything? That is how reaction video works, lalong-lalo na kung kalabas pa lang ng music video. So, I won't take any longer, nasa description box ang original, which is naka-upload sa ABS-CBN Star Music. So yeah, let's check it out what Jamiel has to offer. Their first music video, isn't it? So, titignan natin as of course, given the fact na ang vocal prowess talaga nila, given na talaga yan na magaling silang kumanta, pero the storyline, the acting skills, the color grading of the said music video, papanoorin natin. So, without further ado, let's start this. Maganda kasi sila yung bida. Wow! Ay! Atake! Very high school! I love this! I love this! Gwapo ni JM, no? Gwapo talaga ni JM. Ay, ang gwapo ng lalaki. Okay. Love the harmonization. Sorry, nakapikit ako. I forgot. Sorry kung nakapikit ako. Minanamnam ko kasi ang kanilang boses for today's video. I really love the harmonization. Ang lamig, mami. So, Florante at Laurang atake nila dyan? Ay! Ay! Wow, the leveling of the boys. Wow, I love the leveling of the boys. Yung nag-start sila sa chorus, paano nga bang magmahal? Ay, atake sila, oh. Kala mo naman walang bukas. Ay! Ay! Delikado ka na talaga, JM, kay Mariel. Charis! Ano yung nakasulat? May nakasulat ba? Ipakita nyo. Wow. Grabe yung emotion ni Mariel, no? Yung emotion niya, oh. Ay, wow. The placement. Okay. Yes. Grabe yung timbre. Ay! Bakit may pagtanan for today's video? Charis! Sweet! Saang school to? Si Liman? A PUP? Ay, feel na feel, oh. Ay, charis, charis. Ay, atake si Mariel. Atake si Mariel. Ay, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Baka mag-kiss sila dito, ha? Hoy, wait lang, hindi pa ako ready. Charis, hindi pa ako ready. Baka mag-kiss sila dito for today's video, ha? I-comment nyo yan. Hindi pa talaga ako ready mag-kiss sila. Charis. Okay. Wow. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magpo-focus. Paanong pagmamahal? Ayan no, yan. Yan ang pagmamahal. Kung ano nakikita namin sa inyo for today's video, yan ang pagmamahal. Charis, di mami? Ha? Nice. Sarap sa ears. Gwapo ni JM. Ba't di na lang mag-kiss? Hindi pa ako ready. Uy, si JM. Wow, 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 wow. Ay, wow. Ladies and gentlemen. Ay! Ladies and gentlemen, JM and Mariel. Wow. Ay! Ay! Wisit kaya! Pagkatapos kong magganganga dito for today's video, hala, atake nakalimutan, gwapo ni JM. Bait pa nila, no? Ay, atake. Atake sila, mami. Anyways, there you go guys. It is all for today's video. JM De La Serna and Maria Montellano. Paano ba ang Magmahal official music video? Ma'am Shmarin, thank you so much for recommending this. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!